Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's begin our day with a hatha yoga sequence. Starting in Sukhasana, our legs are crossed, hands resting on our knees, eyes are closed, and we are breathing in and out through our nostrils. Gently opening up the eyes, take a deep breath in, raise your right arm, exhale, send it behind you, turning your body towards the right shoulder. The left hand holding onto the right knee. A gentle turn. Coming back to the center, let's take it to the other side. Inhale and we take the left arm up, exhale, send it behind you. Turning towards the left shoulder. Back to the center. Now arms to your side and start swinging from left to right. The movement is coming from your waist. Your hips are firmly seated on the ground. Keep going from left to right. And do it with a smile. Back to the center, the arms are still stretched out. Turn the palm up to the ceiling. Elbow is facing up. Now turn the palm down, elbow facing down, and then turn the elbow back. Coming back to the neutral position. So you see the movement is actually coming from the shoulders. You are rotating the shoulders in and out, and that is affecting the position of your elbow and the palm. So gently doing it, keep your shoulders engaged as you do that. One more time. Yeah, you're doing nicely. And relax. Now from here, walk your right hand away from the body. Bring your right elbow as low as you can with your left arm up to the ceiling. Exhale and stretch it to the right. Getting a good stretch on the left side of your body. Breathing through your nostrils. Coming out of it. Now walk your left hand away from the body. Inhale, right arm up. As you exhale, stretch it to the left. Breathing deep. Now you don't have to bring your elbow all the way down. Bring it as low as available. Back to the center. Now stretch your legs out in front of you. And then bend both your knees. Hold your knees and then start kicking with your feet. The back is straight. Keep your core engaged and lift one foot at a time. Nice. Legs back on the mat. As you inhale, take your arms up to the ceiling. As you exhale, start folding forward, coming as low as you can. Paschimottanasana. Now here, take your time. With each breath, see how far can you go. Inhale and you stretch. As you exhale, let gravity take your body in towards the ground. Inhale, you stretch. As you exhale, you come closer to your legs. Very gentle and soft movements here without forcing, just going in with your breath. Keep breathing deep. And on the next deep inhale, you rise all the way up. Exhale, arms by your side. Next, we are going to bend the right knee and then drop it out. Bring your right sole in contact with your left inner thigh. Inhale, take your arms up. As you exhale, fold towards your left leg. Janu Shirshasana. We come as low as the body allows. Keep breathing smoothly. 3, 2, 1. Inhale and you rise. Exhale, relax your arms. Lift your right knee. From here, take your right arm up and bring your torso forward, like this. Now wrap your right arm around your right leg. With your right hand resting on the back, sending your left arm behind your back. Maybe you are able to interlock your fingers or have your hands behind the back wherever they are. On the next exhale, bring your forehead closer to the left knee. Breathe. Inhale, rise, release your hands. Place your right foot on the outside of the left knee. Fold your left knee. We are getting ready for Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Raise the right arm up as you exhale, send it behind you and turn your body towards the right shoulder. Ardha Matsyendra Asana is a very good twist that keeps your spine strong and flexible and your abdominal organs healthy. Coming out of it. Send your hands behind you. Your right ankle is just over the left knee. Lift yourself up. Stay there, firmly on your hands and left foot. Keep breathing. You can either stay here or stretch your right leg out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently coming out of it. And let's take the sequence to the other side. So bending your left knee, sending the left knee down, bringing your left sole in contact with the inner right thigh. Inhale, take your arms up. As you exhale, you fold forward towards the right knee. Close your eyes here and keep breathing through the nostrils. Inhale and you rise. Exhale, arms by your side. Lift the left knee. Now, raise your left arm up. Bring your torso forward. Wrapping your left arm around your left leg. Sending your right arm behind you. Maybe you are able to interlock the fingers or just keep your hands wherever they are. Maybe you stay here, or maybe you can bring your forehead closer to the right knee. Whatever the body is allowing you. Keep breathing. On your next inhale, rise, release your hands. Now cross your left feet across to the other side. Ardha Matsyendra Asana on the other side now. Inhale, your left arm goes up and behind you. The body turned towards the left shoulder this time. Gently coming out of it. Your hands behind you, firmly planted on the mat. This time the left ankle is over the right knee. Lift yourself up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe you choose to keep your knee bent, or maybe you want to stretch your left leg. Whatever feels right. 3, 2, 1. Let's stay here in reverse tabletop position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coming out of it. Maybe you want to hug yourself here. Take a moment. When you feel ready, your knees are still bent, we will come into the boat pose, Naukasana. So your legs parallel to the floor, arms stretched out, or you can hold your knees, whatever feels right. Make it yours, it's your boat. Holding the boat pose, strong and steady. Maybe you want to stay here for a little while, or maybe you want to stretch your boat. Inhale to wide boat, exhale, come into boat. Inhale, stretch, exhale to boat. Inhale, stretch, exhale to boat. And now lie on your mat. Yeah, make some adjustment. Next, we will be doing Setu Bandhasana, the bridge pose. For that, we will bend both our knees. Our thighs are going to be parallel to each other. You can have your arms by your side, or you can hold on to your ankles, whatever is available. And once you are ready, lift your hips and back off the mat, bringing your chin closer to your chest. Keep breathing. And coming out of it. Nice. Relax your legs. Now slide your hands under your hips. Bring your legs together with your toes pointing out. Okay, now press your elbows down and lift your torso. From here, we will place the top of the head on the mat. So you see the arch we are creating with our back. Stay there, getting a good stretch in your neck and stretching your back. Slowly come out of it. And now relax in Shavasana. Arms by your side, let your feet fall freely. Your eyes are closed. Breathe smoothly and smile. Know that you will have a fantastic day ahead. I will see you soon with a new video. Thank you so much for joining me.